my name is Miss Alli and I intern at the Mullica Hill Library branch. Today we're going to be doing an activity based off Wellness Week. Now you might be wondering what Wellness Week means, and to me Wellness Week is about focusing on yourself, being able to relax, wind down after a long day, and when I think of this, I think of bath bombs. So that's what we're going to be making today. Bath bombs are the fun, fizzy, colored things that you put in your tub that turn the whole water whatever color you choose. And so today we're going to be needing these ingredients: baking soda, cornstarch, coconut oil, citric acid, Epsom salt, some kind of mold. You could also use Easter egg molds, and then some kind of essential oil. I chose a sleep essential oil because I had it laying around my house. You could choose anything: lavender, vanilla, whatever you want. And also food coloring. And then some extra items are just measuring cups and a medium bowl. Just a little heads up, this activity is going to take 24 hours to let the molds dry. So just keep that in mind when you start. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, I forgot, you're gonna need a whisk as well. You're going to start by taking 1 cup of baking soda. So I got all my measuring cups out. I'm just going to pour it over the bowl. Ooh, there we go. Pour that in. Then we're going to take 1/2 cup of citric acid. There we go. Then 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Just if you're pouring over the bowl, be careful that it doesn't all pour in. There we go. And 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, which is this one. I need a little bit more. There we go. All right, and now you're going to use your whisk and just whisk it together. Our next step is going to be to add in the wet ingredients. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You're going to melt this in the microwave. So the best way that I figured out to do this is to melt it in a cup, just a few spoonfuls for about 40 seconds, stir it, and then pour it into your measuring cup to make sure it's enough. So now we're going to dump this into our mixture of dry ingredients. And it starts to fizzle a little. I don't know if you can hear it. Probably not. Now you're going to add your about 20 drops of your essential oil. You can add however much you want. It's just going to be a stronger smell the more drops you add. Okay, so when you add water to your mixture, you're going to mix it around with your hands, and you're definitely going to hear it fizz here. You don't want the mixture to be too wet, but you want it to be able to sit in your hands and not crumble over. Once you think you have a good texture, you're going to put it in your mold. You want it to be able to form and not crumble over. All right. So I'm just going to scoop it into my mold, pat it down, really fill it, and do the same with the other side. Scoop it, pat it down, make sure the whole bottom is filled. Then you're going to put them together and press down. Then you're actually going to take the top off, and it'll create a bath bomb, but you're going to wait 24 hours until it's fully dry. So I'll check back with you in 24 hours. All right, so I've waited 24 hours, and this is what my bath bomb looks like after drying in the mold. To get it out of the mold, you're just going to twist and pull. It shouldn't be too hard. Now, once I put it in the water, the citric acid that we put inside is going to react with the baking soda to create a fizz. And that's what's going to spread it all throughout your bathtub and turn it a color. Now I'm going to change the camera angle and show you it in the sink. I hope you enjoyed this.